In this video, we will see how to enable developer mode on Discord. Once you have enabled developer mode, you will also be able to copy the message ID, creator ID, or server ID of any server, message, or user on Discord. Let's go through the process step by step and explore what else you can do with it, such as troubleshooting or creating custom bots. Let's enable developer mode and see the changes. If you're using the Discord app or on your browser, the first thing you need to do is go to the user settings. To do this, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you are in the settings, look for App Settings on the left side. Under this section, you will see an option called Advanced. Click on it. In the Advanced settings, you will find the option to enable developer mode. It will be the first option in this section. Just toggle it to On. Once you've done that, click the X button in the top right corner to close the settings. That's it. You've successfully enabled developer mode on Discord, and now you can copy the message ID, user ID, or other IDs as needed for various purposes, including building bots and debugging issues. Thanks for watching.